Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Geeta Sri and today let's know about Express Framework. Express Framework is used to design the web applications. Let's know more about Express. Express is a minimal and flexible Node.js web framework that provides a robust set of features to develop web and mobile applications. It allows to dynamically render HTML pages based on passing arguments to the templates. It is also called as de facto standard server framework for Node.js. We have to install this Express. For that, the command is npm install express generator g. G is used to install this Express globally. And to get the Express in our folder, we use Express space folder name. And to get the packages installed, we use the command npm install. When I get this Express in my folder, these are the folders that are generated. In the bin, I have www, in which I have a port number. This is the port number. This is the port number that I have to use with the local host. And I also have node modules. In public, I have three images, JavaScripts, and style sheet folders. In style sheets, I have style.css. This is the CSS code. This will give the style to my web page. I also have three HTML files, and in roots I have index.js and user.js. In utils I have geolog.js and weatherinfo.js. These are the two files which I have earlier used to get the temperature of a particular city, and also to get the temperature of a given latitude and longitude. And in views I have citystatus.ejs and weatherstatus.ejs. These EJS files are the embedded JavaScript files. Let's see the index.js. In index.js, I gave a router.get. Within that, get weather. When I hit this get weather, then the path will direct me to the main.html. Let's see. In main.html, here is a basic HTML code with a drop down menu which contains city and geolocation. When I hit this city, it will direct me to the cityform.html. In cityform.html, I have a HTML code which asks me to enter the city which I want, and when I hit the get status, it will generate a form action show city status. This will direct me to the index.html, index.js, where I have show city status within a router.post method with a callback function. And city body.city will get stored in the city, and geolog will call with a city and a callback function. If any error, I'll print that on console, else I'll call the get weather info from the utils with a log JSON and also a callback function. If any error, I'll print that on console, else city and temperature info will get stored in the city JSON, and I'll render this response, that is city JSON, to the city status. City status is the EJS file. In this I have a HTML code which is used to get the display, the city and temperature. I'll get the values of the city and temp, that is the temperature, by using a scriptlet tags. And in the same way, in the main.html, when I hit the geolocation, it will direct me to the weatherform.html. In the weatherform.html, the same HTML code from the cityform.html, but here it will ask me to enter the latitude and longitude of the location which I want. And when I hit the get status, it will generate a form action, that is show weather status. This will be directed to the index.js. In index.js, I have a shows weather status with a callback function in the router.post method, where latitude and longitude are stored in a geolog, and it weather info dot get weather info is called from the weather info that is in the utils with the geolog and a callback function. If any error, I'll get that on console, else data is stored in the geolog.temp, and I'll render this response that is geolog to the weather status, where weather status is the weather status.ejs. This weather status will contain a HTML file in which latitude, longitude, and along with temperature will be displayed. To get these particular values, I'm going to use the scriptlet tags, and in the app.js, we have to make sure that app.set of views should be EJS. That is by default it is Jade. We have to rename it to EJS, and also we have to give the path like app.use of a particular router name which we declared in the index.js, that is index.router. Let's run this. Yes, I'm gonna give the get weather, that is a local host, that port number 3000, and get weather. This will direct me to the main.html with a drop down menu, city and geolocation. When I hit the city, it will direct me to the cityform.html and ask me to enter city. That now I'll give Bhimavaram. When I hit the get status, it will direct me to the show city status with the information that is temperature 27. And if I know the correct latitude and longitude of a place, then I'm gonna hit the geolocation. It will direct me to weather info and ask me to enter latitude and longitude 16.5449, longitude as 81.5212. When I hit the get status, it will direct me to show weather status and give the information, latitude and longitude which I gave, and temperature of that particular place. This is a small weather application which I have designed. Thanks for watching.